Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Opus Clips for free in 2025. Now, Opus Clip automatically turns the long videos into the viral short clips using AI. And yes, there is still a free way to use it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on clip.opus.pro. Once you are here, you just have to create your account with the help of your Google account or email address or whichever method available. So once you are inside, this is going to be your dashboard. Over here on the top right hand corner, you are going to see the number of credits that you have. For free, you are going to get 10 credits. But if you want to add more credits, you can just go with their paid plan. Over here on the home page, we have this section where you can basically put the link from video or so over here on the top we have this section where you can just simply paste the link from YouTube video, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any of the video link you can paste over here. Then you can get the clip in one click. When you just scroll down a bit, you are going to see some of the demo projects. So here when you click on the option of the demo projects, it is going to show you that these are the reels which are created with the help of Opus Clip from just one single video. So here you can just scroll down a bit and take a look at how these videos are created. So here in the left hand side, you are going to see the brand templates. So when you click on the option of brand templates, you can just take a look at the aspect ratio option. So after selecting your aspect ratio, you can just simply save the templates that are given over here. So this is going to be the first demo. You can make changes into it by using these options in the left hand side. So basically, Opus Clip is used to cut out the best part from your long video. So you need to just simply paste your video link over here, then click on the option of get clip in one click, and you are going to get it here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.